Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am sharing this card that I created using the My Favorite Things Happy Waddle stamp set. Let's get started. To start off my card, I stamped 3 of the cute little penguins onto white cardstock. And since I will be using the masking technique, I went ahead and stamped the 3 little penguins onto masking paper. This is my favorite masking paper. It's by Gina K Designs. After I stamped the masking paper, I went ahead and fussy cut each of the little penguins out. This will apply over the 3 stamp images on the cardstock to mask off areas that I don't want any ink on. So now that the 3 images has been masked off, I went in with 2 of the other penguins and stamped that in between the 3 penguins. So what the mask is doing here is creating a layering effect. So once it's removed, penguins will look like they're standing in front of each other and next to each other without any overlapping. I then went ahead and stamped 2 of the extra penguins onto masking paper, cut that out, and also applied that onto my card front. What I'm intending on doing here is ink blending. So with the mask in place, I am going in with my blending brush and Distress Oxide ink and Salvage Patina, and I'm lightly going around all of the penguins. Keep in mind that everything underneath the mask here will not get ink on. Okay, so now it's time to remove all the masking papers. I think this is my favorite part because you can see all of your hard work. I went in with some Copic markers and colored in all of the cute little images. I also went in with my white gel pen to create highlights all over the images. Okay, so for the sentiment, I started off with my anti-static powder bag and applied that over the upper right hand corner. I then went in and used Versamark ink and ink stamped one of the sentiment from the stamp set. I will be heat embossing this, so using a nice sticky ink is very important. It helps hold on to all of the embossing powder. Okay, so now that the sentiment has been heat set, I went ahead and cut down the card panel using a rectangle die. And what I'm doing here is I'm trimming down a gray cardstock just a little bit larger than my card panel. I will adhere this with liquid glue and adhere that on top of the blue card base. And for a little extra touch, I went in and applied some gold baubles here and there. Also, I went in and added some glossy accents towards the bottom of the card and sprinkle on some fine glitter. I wanted it to look like snow on the foreground. And the card is now complete. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.